Hey guys, I'm Skyler from SkylerSays, and we're going to be doing the chugging soda thing.
Contest. Pretty much
Yeah,
whoever finishes it chugging their soda first wins.
Oh god, I'm gonna laugh the whole time.
And I think we already know who's gonna lose.
Okay, not me. Okay. Ready? Set, go.
Done. Oh god.
You spit half yours out.
Done. Because I didn't spit any out.
I couldn't breathe.
Guys, I have like 3/4 of it.
No, like I literally drowned myself. I kept going because I felt it, and I was like, oh god.
Oh my gosh, I still have half
I
of
think
it
I won
left.
though because I was like 2 seconds after you and I didn't spit half mine out.
It was
back,
not
back,
half.
back,
It was
back,
literally
back,
a
back.
sip.
Yeah, there we
It was literally a sip. I think I won.
I think I won, you
I
guys.
finished it though.
She hasn't finished. I finished it too. No, you didn't really finish it.
Yeah, I did.
This is all yours.
But it's not
Okay,
that
so
much.
you guys can decide which one of them won,
I
and what does the loser have to do?
Yeah.
What
You
do
won.
I have
What
to
did
do?
you have?
What do I have
I called
to do?
it.
Oh my
That's
god.
so gross.
Like it got like it was everything was bubbling up inside me, and I was like, oh.
Oh,
I didn't
man.
breathe once, and you guys were like, and I'm like.
The reason why I finished after you is because I started laughing because you spit it out.
I was laughing
like,
at you guys,
and I
you
started
guys were taking
laughing.
breaths, and I was, and I was like, ah.
Okay, so what does the loser have to do?
Okay.
What do I have to
I don't
do?
know.
Not that.
Oh, loser has to. No.
Has to eat it.
We all smell it. You have to.
We're so gross.
I'm scared. I would be scared.
Oh man.
Okay, so I lost,
She lost.
but you guys can decide who actually won, and
I
just
did.
comment below and stuff.
No, okay, that was difficult, and otherwise I would have died, okay?
Well, that's your fault.
I'm trying not to die.
That means you would have won if you would have died.
Guys, we gotta finish this because I'm cold.
Okay.
So thanks for watching. Subscribe below and give it a big thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.